What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name is Nyla, and today I'm showing you a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Beautiful, red, right, and ready. It is convertible. It's a soft top, goes down manually, so I have it down right now, and I will follow this up with a video showing you how it goes up and down quite easily, and just folds into this nice back here. It kind of just unclips, flips up, and then the top pulls out. It's got two clips on the front that you clamp them down on, and then it's just clips down into these two here. It's very, very simple, but I'll have somebody come out and help me demonstrate that. Just want to do a quick little walk around. We do a nice little 360 tour of the car. Then we follow it up with a shot of the engine bay while it's running, so you can hear it and see it in action. And then we'll take it for a spin, followed by a video of the undercarriage. But let me just kind of do a little walk around again, show you the interior a little better. Beautiful, beautiful manual, 4-speed on the floor. Everything's been kept pretty original, it looks like. Just a really hot little car. It's been kept in really, really good condition. I love the tires with the red stripe. How cool. Great little cruiser. All right, so I'm gonna follow it up with some more videos. Stay tuned. Got the 327 in it, running nice and smooth. Quiet, clean. Just what you'd like to see. And a nice little rumble in the back. Now let's take it for a drive. So we're going to see if I can manage showing you this while I'm videotaping with one hand. But here's the clip here that this, there is a latch in the center here that you pull, and it loosens up this hatch. There we go, right in the center. That pulls up, simple like that. Now you have the top. Al's coming out so he can help me put up the top here. So we're just gonna pull up with the front, and then we gotta pull the back out like this. Snap that red piece back down, just like that. Then the back goes down, snaps into these two clips in the rear. Yep, mine's clipped. And then we have the front. As you can see, pretty simple. These are the two latches here. And once you line them up, kind of just give them a nice pull, let that clip around there, and we pull it tight, just like that. All right, Alan and I are gonna take the 65 for a spin here.
Good morning, Nyla. Boy, what a treat to get in the car on a Monday morning like this, huh?
Right.
Complete frame-off restoration, 1965 Corvette.
Yep.
We have a completely operational, functional dash, fuel gauge, volts, oil, speedo, tack, which is really quite rare on them. We have power steering and power brakes, which is awesome in these things. But just a nice shifting car. I mean, Nyla, when we get it back to put it up on the whites, the bottom of this car has the appearance of the front of the car.
Perfect.
And you don't have to spend over $100,000 for this car. They're asking a real reasonable amount. I think it's like $79,900.
Okay.
So let's take it for a quick ride. Show people what it's all about. Am I good?
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll get it up on the white. So here we go. Oh, the stop sign. So many people get so used to just, and being on the street,
Mm-hmm.
So we'll wait here for him to go, and then we'll take her around the block. Okay, here we go. noise in the car, click, 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 click. You'd be coming home from grandma's house or something at 10 at night, and I always hear those were the good old days. But here, a touch of the good old days right here.
Absolutely.
Something that you can take and drive. I'd get in this car and drive it to New York. That's how nice it is.
Awesome. All right, we're gonna spin it around. We'll get it up on the lift, and we'll take a look at the underneath.
All right, thanks, Nyla.